Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm just outside. It's drizzling a little bit. I wish it was raining harder because the breeze was nice, but I think some nice rain would be pretty relaxing right about now. So I am on my third story for the short story book that I am writing. There's Nate playing down. He wanted to play in the rain, what little rain there is. But yeah, I wrote 2 stories. I'm almost done with the third. I'm writing multiple ones at a time, but I don't know. This third one that I have is almost 17 pages long, so I have a feeling that my book will be longer than my other short story book, the one I put out like a few years ago. As for books I'm reading, I am reading Circe, I am reading The Fisherman, and I am reading Cress and The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, which is a reread. I don't know if Cress is like captivating me as much as Scarlet did. I really like Scarlet. Cress is interesting. I like it. I just don't know if I like it as much as I did Scarlet and Cinder. It's still pretty good, and I can't wait to get to winter. And then I'll finally have another, series that I completed. And then I have to get back to Rebel, which is the sequel to Reboot. Reboot was pretty decent. I think there's only a duology, so that'll be pretty easy to finish. The Fisherman and Circe I have in physical book, so hopefully I can finish those before I have to take them back, because I've heard they're really good stories, but just with everything lately, I, haven't had the best time reading physical books because I just get so tired and everything, and it sucks because I really like books too. Yeah. Ballad I am almost done with because I was listening to that a little while ago and then I'm getting back to it and everything. Still don't think it's going to be a favorite of mine, but I definitely, appreciate the, symbolism and philosophy of it. But yeah, that's everything that's going on with me right now. Hope you guys are doing good. And I start my new job tomorrow, so we'll see how everything goes. Anyways, next time, guys. Bye-bye. Kitty? Huh? Yeah. It's raining. Raining. Oh, I love the rain. There's Nate. So, started my first day at work. Wasn't too bad. It was a pretty good day. I read, I want to say, a paragraph out of Circe. So, not a whole lot of reading done right now, but it's only like, I think, 140. It's 140. So, I still have the day. To get some more reading done. But right now we're just enjoying the rain.